lights are flashing. Right, here goes. Boop, boop. Check it out. Yes, indeed. It's a little noddy children's ride-on car, and a mate of mine who's got a shop. Problem with the coin-op, well, the problem with the coin-op is it's mostly missing and not working. So it comes with this little counter, which is really quite interesting. If you look at the numbers on the counter, that's 144,907 50p pieces, potentially. Fantastic stuff. So anyway, the coin-op's a problem, and it's completely missing. So if we pop that cable off of there, did a little bit of work on this PCB. I identified that this wire here is the wire that actually sets the machine in motion, which is great news. So underneath this big space here, which is where the coin mechanism is the tray with all the money in it. There's no money in it. And then behind my toolbox is the tray with the controller in it. I'll show you that. It's just a black box. But great news, if I connect this bad boy to ground, which is common, which are the two blue cables there, this machine starts up. The horn works. One steering wheel doesn't. This steering wheel does. And epic stuff. The plan then, me being dubious, is to put a missile switch in place of the coin-op mechanism, and then kids can get on it and just press the button, or their adult parents can press the button and leave this to run for as long as they want. So there's the coin-op, and there's the other side of it, and there's no electronics on there. So what I've done is I've made a plate that is about the same size and shape, hopefully, as that coin-op. And now all I've got to do is drill a big hole in this, fit the missile switch, and then fit all of that into the machine. Oh happy days, it must be time to bust out a brand new set of tools, because this drill bit, which is 10mm, isn't big enough for this. That needs to be a 12mm. So guess what? In my rather dusty shed, after I cleaned everything out, I found, yay! They make this packaging granny proof, I swear. Ah, there we go. A whole spanking new set of wood tools. Huh, nice box and everything. 7-piece flat bit set from 10mm to 32. Right, 12mm. Happy days. Let's do this. Done. Look at that. Lovely. Lovely. Oh, perfect fit as well. Just get this extra nut off of here. Clearly, when it's down, it's off. That'll be on. Alright, let's get this fitted. And boom. There it is. One missile switch, ready to be fitted to a children's play ride. Woohoo! Alright, there it is. Missile switch wired in. So common to the red wire, nice and easy, a bit like bomb disposal. So bit of tape on this, shove everything back in here, get one of these cylindrical keys, lock it down, and look at that. Should we give it a try? Great news. The lights are flashing. Right, here goes. Epic. Right, let's just show you the control module. Yep, another little tray, another little drawer down there, and that's the control module. There you go, isn't that interesting? Can't be bothered to take it all apart. Money box, that's the important box. Ooh, haven't tried the horn, let's try the horn. Excellent. Excellent. Well, there we go. The keys to your new vehicle, sir. Ladies and gents, thanks ever so much for watching. As always, really appreciate a good old thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Go ahead and hit that bell button and all that kind of madness. We look forward to seeing you on the next one. If you haven't seen some of our other videos, go check them out. They can be quite interesting, mildly educational, and a little bit fun. Take care, people. Stay safe and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Cheers and beers. Bye for now.